Good morning, people. This is your boy Anthony Andrews of Andrews Tune-Ups, and today we're going to I'm going to take you through my process for diagnosing a starter. The customer called and said the car wouldn't start at the Walmart, and we're going to make sure that the issue is actually the starter before we replace it. So we're under the hood of the car now, and the first thing I like to do is first get the voltage from the car. What I'm looking for, I'm going to go in and try to start the vehicle. What I'm looking for is to see if this voltage drops. If the voltage stays the same or only goes down a little bit, then there's a good chance the starter is bad, but we're going to do a little bit more testing. But if it drops significantly, that means something's restricting the starter, and we got to figure out what that is. Could be the AC compressor, could be the alternator. But first things first, I'm looking at the voltage, and it only dropped a little. So that generally means it's not the starter, but it means the signal is going to the starter. Okay, so that's been done. I want to take this off. What I'm going to do now is find the starter relay. And I'll be back. Okay, so we're under the fuse box, and according to Ford, there's going to be one of two. It's going to be the starter relay. It's going to be number 42 or number 2. We're going to check 42 because that's the most common first, and then we'll check 2. What I have here is a relay bypass. You can buy these really cheap on Amazon. I'll put the link in my description, and you can buy these. Every mechanic should have at least a set of relay bypasses. Okay, I'll be back. So we're gonna first get into the car, put the key in, turn the car on to the on position. And we're gonna move this relay. Put this one in place. Just make sure it's in the off. And test. No response there. Okay. If this one doesn't give me a response, then it's a good chance the starter is really bad. Yep. Nothing from the starter. Now, if you don't have one of these, what you can do is, where these two pins are, you can get your jumper wire and put it between them, and that will also do the same thing that this is doing. All right, I'll be back. Okay, you can hear the starter clicking when I jump it here. So, and it's not doing a drain. No, the starter's bad on this one. That's just a quick way to understand what your starter, how to diagnose your starter. Now we're going to replace it out and hopefully get her back on the road. New starter's on. Car is started.